today we're doing a camping adventure. Let's go! And now we're ready to go. But first we need to go to the pool store. Ayun, sakay ka. Hop in your car. If your car has...
Going to
You
the
know you
tool
can say
store.
something because the microphone is just here, you know.
Yes.
Let's make a film. Come here at the pool store. Come here at the pool store. Stop there. Where are you stopping?
He crashed.
Come to the pool store. Pool store. Just in front of the... Oh, no. You see it. The Amma Park is right here. Let's go. At your vehicle. Nice and neatly. Oh, we went after you. Let's go inside now. Wow, that's it. I'll park it for you. I'll park it for you. Oh. Right away. Turn off the engine. Okay, now let's go inside. Let's go inside. Come inside. Kukuha pa tayo ng tent. Maslipid mag-moving. Pag-isa-isa tayo. So, I'm gonna get this light. This sleeping bag. This tent. But I'll put this thing in. But I'll put some in here. Meron akong tent.
Ibulon na ko niya?
Kunin mo.
Yeah.
So we need to open this so that we can put this light here.
Kuya. Ano yan, kuya? Ito mga
Hindi, yung pang ano yun.
paano ba yung ano, kuya? Sige ya?
So it's not...
Ganya?
Ha?
Gan? Hindi! Ilaw!
Huwag ka na magmata niyo. Huwag ka lang na gusto mo.
Oh, sir.
And this bed is right here. Wow.
Wow, this is big pen. Very fun.
We also need
Pwede
to
na kuya,
get...
the floor?
And I'm going to get some tent.
Ma-out lang tapon.
So now I need to... Oh, Kyle, grab this marshmallow.
Yan.
With the marshmallow stick right here. The marshmallow stick. We need one campfire. I'll just take it, the campfire. And then we might need let's just go out. I'm gonna put this thing in Kyle's pod. I'm gonna put this right in here. This campfire. Kyle, put your marshmallow in here. Put your marshmallow. Hello, dito. There. Now your turn, Kyla. Okay. Okay. Close it. Yeah. Now let's go. So, Kyle, just follow me because I know a spot. I'll go first. Follow me. We're doing this realistically. Not like what we do in public though. Where are you going? Come up this mountain, bro. I'm just going slow, bro. And now I'm going down. Oh, I'm losing control. I'm losing control. Wait. Kyle, you see this intersection where, bro, you just passed the intersection. Bro, come back. You passed the turning point. Turn to the right on your, no. Go to the left. Left turn. I'll just wait for you here. Go left. I see you. Hurry up. Just come up. And just keep moving forward. You pass ATM seeds. Yo, just broke up. No. I'm losing control. I lose control. Oh no. But at least I went to the right way. Ako nga na eh. Over here, Kyle. We almost just crashed. That means we have super power. Come up this mountain. Come up the mountain. Come up this mountain. I see a building. That's a park. Just go up. Just keep going up the mountain. When you see a thing saying campsite, go there. Just go straight. Past the intersection. Here's the campsite. Wait. Bro, just keep going. Bro, you just crashed into me. Come back. Go back. Hit. Right here. Come inside. Follow this. I think I should do the first one. We do second one. No, we just do the first one. Both of our vehicles. Now get out. Come forward. Bro. Fine. I need to park. I already parked. It's done. Let me park here. You cannot park there. Stupid. That's a road. Come up. No, it's so stupid. This is where we play. This is where we...
Raining.
Yeah, it's raining.
Raining up there.
Come inside. Go inside your car. Go inside your car. Go inside your... Ano? Not there. Go inside your... Back. Go inside your car. Like, I mean right here. That was so stupid. Come up here. Over here. Come to my side. Come to where I am. Come to where I am. Come to where I am. Open the light. Why can't I? Yeah, there. If you wanna go to bed, now you have a bed and a TV. This is your place. This is your place. My place is at the other side. If you need me, just come to my trailer. I'm just here. Bro, already asleep. I'm at the back. Wow. So where's the light? Why are you here? You're just magically. We have no food. That's nice.
Look at mine.
Now there's a bush like inside my back here in my trailer. Why are you in my house, bro? Why are you in my house? Go to your house. Go to your house. Stop. Yeah, stay there. Wait, you need to... What?
I will lock the window.
Bruh. I'm sorry about this. Your knee is... Over the gap. Okay, so I cannot put anywhere. Get this out. Yeah, let's get this campfire.
Chicken. Water. There's a chicken in my tunnel. My friend.
Bro, can you get the campfire? Get the campfire. Can you get the campfire? Kyle. Come outside. Come to me. This door is in. No, come to me. Come up here. Come up here.
Bed.
Brown. This is the first bed. Second bed is up here. Second bed is up here. Come to me. Outside. Grab this campfire. Grab this campfire. Bro, you won't even listen. Can you get this campfire? This. Grab it. Bro, I think we just end it here, bro. At first we're just going to swim. Come here, let's swim. Let's swim. Hurry. Bye guys, that was an amazing adventure. But next we're going to play MM2. See you next time. Peace.